Long ago, in the heart of the universe, there existed a grand realm known as the Matter Kingdom. The kingdom was divided into four powerful lands: Soldia, Liquidia, Gaseon, and the mysterious land beyond them, Plasmitica. Each land had its own rulers, rules, and way of life, but together they made up everything in the universe, from the mountains and the ocean to the air we breathe and the stars that shine. In Solidia, everything stood strong and firm. The people of Solidia, called solid particles, lived very closely together, tightly packed, barely moving from their places. They loved order and stability.
Here in Solidia, we stand together. Our particles are tightly bound. That's why we have a definite shape and volume.
The citizens of Solidia made up the mountains, rocks, wood, metals, and even ice. Their world was strong and steady, but when heated, things began to change. Next to Solidia was the flowing and graceful land of Liquidia. Here, the liquid particles moved a little more freely, not too close, not too far apart.
We liquidians don't have a fixed shape. We take the shape of our container, but our volume stays the same. We can flow, ripple, and shine.
The Liquidians formed the rivers, the rain, the oceans, and even the blood that flows in our veins. When they cooled, they turned back into solids. When heated, they transformed into gases. Above Liquidia floated Gaseon, the land of freedom. Here particles zoomed around with great speed far apart from another.
In Gaseon, we have no fixed shape or volume. We fill up any space we're given. Our particles more quickly and freely.
The people of Gaseon made up the air, the oxygen we breathe, the carbon dioxide we exhale, the steam rising from the hot tea, and clouds drifting in the sky. Beyond the land of Gaseon lay a glowing stormy kingdom, Plasmitica. It was a realm of energy and light, where particles were charged, some positive, some negative.
We are the fourth state of matter, plasma. We are found in stars, lightning, and even in the sun itself. Our energy is so high that atoms break apart into ions.
Plasma made up 99% of the visible universe, from the blazing sun to the glowing neon lights in cities. One day, the four rulers gathered to discuss a great secret, the secret of change. From matter could shift from one kingdom to another through the magic of journey.
When I, a solid, am heated, I melt and how into Queen Athos land.
And when I am heated more, I became vapor, joining Prince Vapor in Gaseon.
And if I am heated even further, I transform into Emperor Ion's plasma realm.
And if we cool down, we can all return to our earlier form again. This is the cycle of matter.
This dance of heating and cooling was known as changes of state: melting, freezing, evaporation, condensation, sublimation, and deposition. But the universe held more secrets. Scientists discovered new states of matter under extreme conditions like Bose-Einstein condensation (BEC), where particles behaved as one superparticle at near absolute zero, and fermionic condensate, a cousin to it.
These are the lands beyond your imagination, where matter moves slower than thought and behaves like waves. They show us how strange and beautiful the universe truly is.
The kingdom learned that though they were in different form, they were all made of the same building blocks, atoms and molecules, just arranged and energized in different ways.
We may change our shape, energy, but we are all one family, the great matter of the universe.
And so, the four kingdoms continued their eternal dance, solid becoming liquids, liquid turning into gases, gases igniting into plasma, and beyond in the endless cycle of creation and transformation. Everything around us, from the ice in your drink, to the air you breathe, from the stars in the sky, to the blood in your body, is made of matter. It may change its form, but never disappears. Matter is eternal, ever changing, ever living. Subscribe to Story Education. Learn chemistry through stories.